Uncle Carter sat on a broken plastic chair outside a gas station. His shoes had holes. His shirt was wrinkled. A young boy walked up to him and asked, "Uncle, you look like you've seen life. Tell me something that can change mine." Uncle Carter laughed. He said, "You want one rule? Fine. But you won't like it." The boy sat down. Uncle Carter leaned forward and said, "Every dollar that enters your hand has two jobs. One job is to work for you today. The other job is to multiply itself so it can work for you tomorrow. Most people only let their money do the first job. They spend it the moment it arrives. They buy things that lose value the second they touch it. Clothes that go out of style. Phones that become old in 6 months. Food that disappears in 20 minutes. That money is gone. It never comes back. It never multiplies. It never works for you again." Uncle Carter pulled out a dirty notebook from his back pocket. He opened it and showed the boy a simple drawing. A circle with an arrow going up. He said, "When I was poor, I made $100 a week. Most people in my neighborhood spent all of it. They bought beer. They bought cigarettes. They bought things to impress people who didn't care about them. But I did something different. I took $10 from that 100, just 10, and I put it somewhere it could grow. First month I had $40 saved. Second month I had 80. By the third month I had enough to buy something small. Not a phone. Not clothes. I bought a used lawnmower. That lawnmower made me $60 a week cutting grass. Now I had 100 from my job and 60 from the mower. I took 20 from the new total and saved it again. 2 months later I bought a second mower. Then I hired a kid to use it. I paid him 30 and kept 30. Now I was making money while sitting at my real job." The boy looked confused. He asked, "That's it? That's the rule?" Uncle Carter smiled and said, "That's the rule, but nobody follows it. You know why? Because the rule requires you to be uncomfortable today so you can be free tomorrow. Your brain doesn't want that. Your brain wants comfort now. It wants the new shoes now. It wants the pizza now. It wants the vacation now. The rule says no. The rule says suffer now. Save now. Invest now. And in 5 years you won't recognize your own life." Uncle Carter stood up and pointed at the gas station. He said, "I bought this gas station 12 years after that conversation with a man just like you. I was 27. I had nothing when I started. But I followed the rule. Every dollar had two jobs. One for today. One for tomorrow. The dollars that worked for tomorrow are the ones that built all of this." The boy asked, "What if I only have $20 a week?" Uncle Carter looked at him and said, "Then you take $2 and you protect it like your life depends on it. You don't touch it. You don't spend it. You let it sit. You let it grow. And when it becomes 20, you buy something that makes more money. Then you take the profit and you do it again. And again. And again. One day you wake up and you're not poor anymore. Not because you got lucky. Not because someone helped you. But because you followed one rule that 99% of people ignore. Every dollar has two jobs. Let your money work for you. Stop working for your money." The boy stood up. He reached into his pocket and pulled out a $5 bill. He looked at it. He folded it carefully and put it back in his pocket. Uncle Carter nodded. He said, "That's the first step. Now protect it."